door, but we're willing to wait. Here we go. It's back.
What up, YouTube? Today it's a special day. The day we've all been waiting for. Some of us. Today is the day we get the chicken sandwich back from Popeyes. So right now, I'm meeting up with Marissa and Jeff. We're gonna get the sandwiches, and we're gonna do a first impression of the sandwich. I know most of you guys already probably had it, but we haven't had a chance since it's been sold out for God knows how long. But Popeyes, they did their thing. They came back, and we're gonna try it out today. All right, let's go.
All right, you guys, we just left Popeyes and we got it all. We have a bunch of chicken sandwiches in here and we're gonna try them, but we gotta wait for Kelvin. Hi guys! You guys, the time has come. We finally, on the second try, got these chicken sandwiches from Popeyes. They came around like, what would you say, like two months? It was right when you got here, huh?
Yeah, like something like, damn, there was that long? So I have almost 3 months.
Almost 3 months.
We'll say 2.5 for fun.
Yeah. Popeyes came out with a chicken sandwich and no ads, nothing. Social media was its advertisement and it was everywhere. Like, everywhere. So, we ended up trying to go to like 3 or 4 different Popeyes. Sold out everywhere. Wasted more gas than we would on chicken sandwiches. But they finally came back. We got there. As you saw, the line was a little bit longer, but it was worth it because we were able to get them. So, we have 3 spicy and 1 mild because we heard that spicy is actually the best way to go. And so, yeah. Are you ready? I'm
ready.
so
I'm
excited.
I'm excited.
This is like an exclusive. Well, not anymore, but it's like the people who got their hands on this before. I hate all of you guys, but we're about to go and try it.
I know. I'm wondering if it still tastes the same as it did when it first came out. That's what I was wondering because actually he uploaded the app or Twitter.
Twitter.
He got the notifications for Twitter to find out, like, every single day he was on Twitter trying to find out when this chicken sandwich was coming back. And so when it came back, he was calling me at work, going crazy. I thought an emergency was happening, but emergency was happening for him. And he found out the day, which was actually today, that these chicken sandwiches came out. But it's like, the first time they were gone, and then we haven't heard anything from them, and now they're magically back, and they're in our hands now.
I saw Jeff put the ad, and I was like, we gotta do this. This video, and we gotta try this.
Yeah, we were gonna do like a Popeyes versus Chick-fil-A thing, but all the people were kind of doing that before, and we already kind of know what Chick-fil-A tastes like.
Oh yeah.
And
100
but we don't know what this tastes like, so we just wanted to give you guys our first reaction on these Popeye sandwiches. So, ready, guys?
If you notice, I can't take my eyes off it, so I'm ready to go.
All right.
I'm ready to go.
Let's see. Spicy for you.
Hey.
Spicy for you.
All right.
Spicy for me, and then sorry, mild.
We're gonna wait for that one.
Yes. We'll fight over that one. Oh.
Oh,
Oh!
this feels so good.
Good,
It feels
baby.
so good.
It's so fun. It's heavy.
It is heavy. Damn, it's pretty big.
It is heavy.
You guys, this holy guacamole. You guys, I gotta show you. Look at this chicken sandwich. That's a thick chicken sandwich.
Oh my god.
Kind of.
So it looks
Smells
like.
like peanut butter. I don't know if it's just me.
I wonder if it's cooked in peanut oil.
Probably.
So inside, I'm dissecting it. We have, it looks like some spicy mayo, possibly.
Yes, I believe that's what it is. Pickles.
What? I got 1 pickle.
1 pickle. Popeyes.
1 pickle.
Hey.
You done fucked up, Popeyes. You get some points off.
I mean, I don't mind, but oh dang! I took a lick of that spicy mayo.
Two pickles in there. All right.
Are we taking a bite?
All right,
Oh.
first bite.
All right.
Guys, ready? We waited so long for this.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3.
3. Mmm.
I'm taking a second bite or
Mmm.
This chicken is like thick. She thick.
Mmm. Mmm.
Here we go. Chick-fil-A, y'all better go to this.
Oh man.
Ooh, the pickle.
That pickle is good.
Pickle.
I'm not a pickle fan, but
I was just about to say not a pickle fan, but wow, this pickle is really good.
And
it's
the
like-
meat is like really thick. It's not all breading like most chicken sandwiches
No.
are. This, it's like barely any breading, mainly chicken. And that spicy sauce, mayo, whatever it is, it's spicy, but it's not like
yeah, we got
ah.
and it's like it's thick, but it's so like juicy and soft about it.
Mm.
I
It's not,
can't
like, so
believe we
crunchy.
have it.
It's here. Damn, this is good.
Oh,
God.
man.
It's just so good.
And this bun,
The
Mhm.
bun, like it blows Chick-fil-A's bun out the way.
It blows its buns.
it blows this bun.
Mmm.
Wow.
This bun actually looks like it was like grilled
Mm-hmm.
in like butter.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can taste it.
Like it's not just slapped together, they cut it in half and put the stuff on it.
Oh my God.
You guys.
This might be my favorite chicken sandwich ever, as of right now. Until someone else proves me wrong.
Yo, seriously.
Mmm. Mmm.
Embracing
So the
it.
spicy is good. Like it's
Yeah,
it's
it's not-
a little, it has some kick to it, but
It's like just enough.
it's not like, well, I can't eat this, you know. No, it's
I'm really surprised by this pickle.
yeah.
I'm not. I kind of say I hate pickles. These
Yeah.
are good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he
it is.
does hate pickles.
These some-
Anytime I eat pickles, he says you're not allowed to touch it.
It's like you still have that Popeyes crust,
No.
the breading.
Mm-hmm.
Dang,
It's
your
not like
chicken's
overpowered.
thick too.
Yeah.
Really, you know I like it thick.
Kids, he's talking about the chicken.
The chicken, you like my chicken?
Like, it doesn't look that big. Like, it's about the size of my hand when you get it. But I feel like I've already taken like 10 bites and I'm still eating it.
Oh man, I'm getting full.
See, now that I tried the spicy, I'm like, I don't know if I want to try the mild.
I know, it's like,
Mm-mm.
why go down from here?
Yeah. It's about how you can go.
I could take this. The Howling Raised one, I couldn't.
Oh. Howling Raised, as you already saw, if you saw our video, check it out.
I'm going to put it right here so you guys can check it out. But
Howling Raised was barely can enjoy it.
No, yeah. I have no idea what that chicken tastes
Nope.
like.
No idea.
I was too busy washing my mouth with
anything.
anything I could
Right,
find. Like,
exactly. We tried gum and soda and water and everything. Mm.
go.
Wow.
Because I've had chicken sandwiches like this before, but it's like the chicken is like the crust is so crunchy, like we kind of don't enjoy it too much. It's like all mostly breading. There's a lot of chicken.
Where it's like
in
too much breading.
Last bite. Mm.
I'm just.
He's gonna die on camera.
there.
Mm.
Oh my god. Damn.
I say we hop in the car and go get more.
That was very satisfying.
That was good.
That
And
was
we're not
good.
even like exaggerating. Like
Yeah.
kind of. This was good.
Popeyes is not paying us for this, so this is an honest opinion.
But if you would like to, totally wouldn't mind.
Hey Popeyes, let us know. Damn.
I'll put this on my car.
As of right now, my opinion, Popeyes is number one when it comes to chicken sandwiches.
And you know what? Like, I never really found a chicken sandwich that I'm like, that's my favorite chicken sandwich. Like, I like chicken sandwiches, but I never was like, oh, I like to go to this place because that's my favorite chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
But this is like now my favorite chicken sandwich.
And then, you know, coming here, moving here. I've had Chick-fil-A before, but I've never had the chicken sandwich until I moved here. And I was like, yo, that sandwich was good. But they just went down in the ranks.
Yeah. Like, it's still good, but it just went up.
This
Wow.
is so good. I don't want to finish it.
What you gonna do? Freeze it?
I know, right? Put a statue, like,
Eat it by.
bronze it up. And then, yeah,
Wow.
Popeyes is
That was good.
Like,
And for you health nuts, this is the perfect cheat sandwich.
yeah.
Perfect. Here's the spot. You stick at your protein.
bread's not that thick.
Bread's not that thick.
And it's like, yeah, it's not like overfitting. It's like, oh, fuck, you know,
Oh
like,
no.
this is good.
This is the perfect quick lunch, 30 minutes.
Yeah, because you're gonna eat it like in 10 seconds.
Oh yeah,
Like,
it's gone. The hype is real. No,
You two can split it
as
if you
good
want.
as,
I'm good.
as good as these are, right now, dead stock. Right now, dead stock. 5-star refill. There you go.
Starting bid starts at $10.
If they sell out, yo, we go now. Like,
This one's going in the freezer.
like
And then remember when
Food trucks are-
Popeyes, like after they sold out, they tried to do where, oh, we have the chicken sandwich, but bring your own bun. And it's like,
I think that was just like a tease. It's like
why would I bring my own bun? This bun is good. I would have been
Yeah,
pissed if I
hell
brought my
no.
own
with
bun.
some Wonder Bread and it,
Yeah. What the hell? No.
Bimbo.
and then it's like the tenders that they have, because that's what they were claiming to bring your own bun. It's not the same as this.
No.
This
No,
that,
no
that
way.
chicken is
This,
off the charts.
it's, yeah. Wow. How many out of 5 stars?
I'm gonna have to give it a clean 5 stars.
How many out of 5 stars?
I'm gonna go with that 5. 5 all
I'm gonna
the
go with the 10 out of 5.
way. Damn.
Like, oh.
That was good.
And I still have like that spice sitting on in my mouth. But it's like,
I was thinking
I
too.
don't mind it.
Just now, just right now. I'm not a cheese guy. But if they had to put some cheese on this,
Yeah, you're actually right.
wow.
Pepper jack cheese?
Yeah, like a pepper jack, Monterey Jack. Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa.
That's not a bad idea.
Whoa. Matter of fact, our next video, we will be adding a Monterey Jack.
Get like 5 Popeye spicy chicken sandwiches, one with pepper jack, one with Monterey Jack, one with cheddar, one with...
Oh my
And they just change the packaging. Like, no, it's not Popeyes. What are you talking about? They're gonna come after us.
Well, let us know if you guys have tried the Popeyes chicken sandwich. If you have, did you try it the first time it came out? Did you try it now, recently, the second time it came out? Did you get spicy? Did you get mild? What did you think? Do you like it? Is it like blow you out of the water? Is it just for you? Let us know in the comments below.
Let us know.
Let us know.
I've heard mixed emotions off of them. No lie. I've heard more good than bad, but I've heard people say like, it was alright. Those people are crazy, but...
We won't
This
say
is
crazy, but
Yeah.
obviously they got some questionable taste buds.
Seriously. But yeah, let us know what you guys think. And yeah, definitely. Anything else? Any last words?
Be on the lookout. A lot of new stuff is going to be coming out. I know we said that in the past, but this time we're 100% serious because you know what? Kelvin's actually here for good! So if you guys don't know just a little, like, catch you up on things, Kelvin, who used to live in New York, now lives here in California. And he literally lives like 4 miles away.
Yeah, like less than 10 minutes.
Not
I'm here.
even.
Oh yeah, 5 minutes.
So there's going to be a lot more videos coming, a lot more challenges, a lot more adventures going. Of course, a lot of food.
Lots of food.
Yeah, I want to start doing a more like food review kind of thing, like something like this. Maybe going like to a restaurant, just trying like, you know, whatever their top
And
This
even
is
doing
so
like
nice.
looking up social media, or you guys helping us out, and especially
Yeah.
if you're from California or Southern California, or even if we need to go down super south to California, letting us know like the best places that there is around there, what their main like popular item is. One place I do want to go to is, what was it called? Trejos Tacos? Danny Trejo's Tacos place.
Oh yeah.
Where's that?
It's in LA, but he has like different type of tacos. So there's like a barbecue pork brisket taco.
He
and
has a fried chicken taco.
so
That's my type of thing.
maybe we might end up there.
Yeah.
But be on the lookout. Make sure to please share. If you aren't already, please subscribe down below, and you just click that subscribe button. And if you haven't already, turn on that bell to be notified whenever we upload or we go live. You will know about it. And just like I said, we're more stuff is coming, you guys.
Give us a thumbs up on this video.
Yep.
You know, we need to get them.
A lot of
Like
stuff is coming. A lot of adventures, like I said, food. And also let us know, you can follow us on all social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all of it's under World with Friends. Give us suggestions. We're totally here for it. Challenge videos, question videos. We are going to be doing a Q&A soon where you guys let us know what questions you have about us, or it's kind of like a get to know the team type of thing. So that way you guys know and kind of learn about how this all started, how we all met each other, and what our goals are in life and stuff like that. So it's coming to you guys.
Yep, coming soon. We're gonna get this big. We're gonna get this going for sure.
Yep.
All right.
All right.
So while we go fight for this last chicken sandwich, see you guys later.
Bye.
Peace.